Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you are going to see the top 5 Facebook pages automations. Guys, Facebook pages is a great place to interact with large number of people and increase your online presence. And if you have one, you may have to spend a lot of your time in manually managing the content of your Facebook page. But now with the power of automation, you can cut that time and manage your Facebook page's content automatically using our top 5 automations. So in this video, I'm going to show you the top 5 automations. Let us first see what are the use cases. So here you can see we have the list. So the first one is share a post from Facebook page to Facebook group automatically. So this is a great way to connect a Facebook page with Facebook group and share the content automatically between these two places. Second one is automate the sharing of posts from one Facebook page to another Facebook page. So if you have two pages parallelly, you can just add the content in one page and the same will be shared to the other page automatically. Third one is share blogger posts to Facebook automatically. So if you have a blog and you want to connect your blog with Facebook, you can use this automation. And another one we have is how to share YouTube videos to Facebook page. So guys, if you're running a YouTube channel like us, you can use this automation. The last one is how to post RSS feed items to Facebook page with specific words. So if you're running a website and if you have a RSS feed, you can use this automation to share your RSS articles on Facebook. And guys, in this video, you will learn how to set up all these automations step by step. This is a complete guide, so stay tuned till the end of this video to learn all these automations.
Hello everyone. So in this video, we will learn how to share a post from a Facebook page to a group automatically. So let us begin with a small example. So as you can see, this is a Facebook page called as Any Tech Solution. So I'm going to paste a post here. And once the post is published on this particular page, it will be reflected as a post on this particular group. So this is the group name that is called as yoga session. So I'm going to add a post. So let me just add the post. Okay. And let me just click on post. So the post is getting published. So as you can see now, the post has been published. So the idea is that this particular post, for example, few people have more than few hours per day. And the last line is get inspired gives them what they need. Okay. So let me just go to this particular group, that is yoga session. So the idea is that the data that is this particular post will appear here automatically. So let me just click on refresh. Okay, so as you can see, we have got the post. Okay, so this is the post in this particular group, that is yoga session. Few people and get inspired gives them what they need. Okay, so we have got the same post that we have published here is automatically now entered as a post in this particular group. So you must be thinking, how did I do it? How did I manage to automatically send the data from a Facebook page to a Facebook group? So basically here I have used an integration and automation software called as Pabbly Connect that integrates Facebook page to Facebook group. Now the best part of using Pabbly Connect is there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. It can be done easily. Now there is something I have to tell you. While it looks like the data from Facebook page arrived immediately into Facebook group, but the truth is I had to actually pause it for 5 minutes. This is because Facebook actually takes an appreciable amount of time to send the data. So all you have to do is just wait for 5 or 6 minutes so that the data can arrive in your Facebook group from your Facebook page. Okay, so to begin the process, in the new tab, just type pabbly.com, 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 press enter. So this is the website of pabbly.com. Just hover on products and here you will find connect. Just click on connect. Okay, so this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. All you have to do is just click on sign in. So before you click on sign in, make sure that you build your account in Pabbly Connect. In my case, I have already built my account, so I'm just clicking on sign in. So this is the app section of Pabbly. Let me just scroll down and here you will find connect. Just click on access now. Okay, so at the top right corner, you will find a button, create workflow. Click this, a dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I'm going to give it as Facebook page to Facebook group. Facebook page to Facebook group. And let me just click on create. So when you click on create, you will find two windows, the trigger window as well as the action window. So what's the deal with the trigger window as well as the action window? So when we are talking about automation in Pabbly Connect, it works on the concept of triggers and action. The trigger says when this happens, then this action should follow. For example, if a new post is made in a Facebook page, the action is a Facebook post will be automatically created in a Facebook group. Okay, so this is the meaning of triggers and action. Now using the trigger window as well as the action window, we are going to create a workflow to integrate Facebook page to Facebook group. Now here there is something I have to tell you. Once we have integrated Facebook page to Facebook group using this workflow, I will make sure the link of this workflow is available in the description box so that you can clone it and directly access it into your account. Okay, so now in the trigger, how about we make it as Facebook? Okay, Facebook pages. And in the trigger event, how about we make it as new post? Simply just click on connect. We are going with a new connection and simply just click on connect with Facebook pages. Okay, so in my case, I have already logged into my Facebook account, so that is why authorization was done. Now, by default, it is showing two fields, the page as well as the page access token. You can just simply ignore this particular page, this particular field, that is page access token. We are going to focus on this particular field, the page. So these are all the pages that is present in my Facebook account. Now the idea is that when I click on a particular page, for example this particular page, any text solution, and after that when I click on save and send test request, it will fetch me the data of the recently created post in this particular page. So first of all, let me just straight away take you to the Facebook pages. Okay, so let me just show you all the pages I have. So these are all the pages we have, okay, and all the pages that is present here is being reflected here. Okay, now out of all these pages, I have selected one particular page, that is any text solution. This is that page, any text solution. Now the idea is that when I click on save and send test request, it will fetch me the detail of the recently created post. Now if you may remember, the recently created post was of this one. Few people have more than few hours and so and so. So what I'm going to do here is, for your consideration, I'm going to create a new post. Okay, so let me just create a new post in this particular page, any text solution. So this is basically the post. Okay, so this is about yoga, and let me just click on post. Okay, so the post is getting pasted or posted on this particular page, that is any text solution. So okay, so the post has been made, has been published. So the idea is that when I click on save and send test request, it will definitely show the details of this particular post. So it is starting with yoga. Okay, so let me do that. Let me just click on save and send test request. Okay, so as you can see, these are the details of the post. Okay, so we have all the details one by one. So these are the details, and let me just show you the message, or basically the post details. So these are the details of the post. So the idea is that we are going to use this information to create a post in Facebook group. And this is how you do it. In the action window, you select Facebook group. Facebook group. Okay, so as you can see, we do have a ton of choices regarding Facebook, but we are interested in Facebook group, so we have selected it. Now in the action event, we just want to simply post a message and simply just click on connect. We are going with a new connection and simply just click on connect with Facebook groups. Okay, so authorization successful, excellent. Now by default, it is showing a ton of groups. Now all of these groups are present in my Facebook account, and I'm interested in this particular group, yoga session. Now this particular group, let me just take you there. Okay, that is yoga session. I actually have the administrator privileges. Okay, this is because I have built this particular group. Okay, make sure that you have admin privileges to this particular group before you post the message. Now we have the message. So this is the message that we want. Okay, so this is the message we want. So all we have to do here is we are going to map this particular detail here. So you introduce the first accordion. Okay, and here you will find the message and you have mapped it. Now if you have any link like the YouTube link or the video link or the image link, you can just add here. But in my case, I went with a simple text message, so I'm just going to ignore this field. So at this point, all you have to do is just click on save and send test request to send this message to a Facebook group. So it is being done. Okay, so the response is a positive one. So let's have a look. Do we have this particular message? Okay, so let me just refresh this. Okay, so this is the group yoga sessions, and yes, we do have the message. Okay, excellent. So the presence of this message shows that we have a successful integration between Facebook page and Facebook group. Now before you leave, let me just explain you the whole mechanism in a nutshell. So let me just minimize the action window and let me just minimize the trigger window. So basically, this is the whole process in a nutshell. First, you integrated Facebook pages to Pabbly Connect, and then you integrated Pabbly Connect to Facebook group. So now there's a perfect flow of data between Facebook pages and Facebook group. Excellent.
Hello everyone, this is Akib Javed, welcomes you all on Pabbly. So guys, in this video you are going to learn how to automate the sharing of posts from one Facebook page to another Facebook page, right? So guys, before I start explaining to you how we are going to do this, let me tell you why you should watch this video. So guys, if you are a social media marketer or an influencer and you opt this method that I'm about to tell you, it will surely save your crucial time and energy. It will increase the engagement with your audience and improve your business. How? Let me tell you. Suppose that you are a social media marketer and you are using Facebook page to promote your content, right? So whenever you create a post here, you want to share this same post with another Facebook page that you have, okay? So what generally you do when you post your content here in one page, you copy the same content of the post and then come here on your second Facebook page and share the same content here also, okay? But guys, if you are creating the content in bulk, copy pasting these things will take a lot of your crucial time and energy and can be very problematic. So I have a better way for you. What if I tell you that as and when you create a post here in one of your Facebook page, the same post will be delivered here on another Facebook page and shared with your audience automatically. Yes guys, this can happen, and to make this happen I am using a software here called as Pabbly Connect. So guys, Pabbly Connect is an integration and automation software, and what it will do, it will connect these two Facebook pages together such that whenever you post a content here in one Facebook page, the same content will be shared with your another Facebook page. And guys, the best part of making this automation is that you will not require any coding skills or programming knowledge. So any non-technical person can also make this automation. So now let me give you a demo on my screen of how this automation or connection between your Facebook pages is going to work in real time. So guys, this is my computer screen and here you can see I'm in my Facebook page. This is my Facebook page and the name of the page is Mobile Phone Store. And this is also my Facebook page and this page's name is Electronics Digital Shop. Now I'm going to show you. I'll post a new post here in Facebook page, which is this Mobile Phone Store, and this same post that I'm going to post here will be automatically shared here also in this page, Electronics Digital Shop. Let me show you. So I'm going to create a post here by clicking on create post, and let me attach a photo here. This is a photo. Okay, and we can write any caption here. Well, let's just post a photo for now. So I'm going to post it. And you can see we have a new post here in my mobile phone store page. Okay, you can see this is a new post. Now let's check in our electronics digital shop page if we got the same post here. So let me refresh this page first. So guys, you can see a new post is here and this is the same photo that I have posted in this page, you can see, and this photo get automatically posted here in our this page also. Okay, so guys, Facebook uses polling technique to transfer the data, so it might take 3 to 4 minutes to reach this post here, but not to worry, it will be here automatically like this, just as I have shown you. So now let me give you the easiest possible steps by which you can also make this automation and transfer your post from one Facebook page to another automatically. So guys, these are the 3 easy steps by which you can also make this integration and connect your 2 Facebook pages with each other. So step 1 is connect Pabbly Connect to Facebook page. So first of all, we are going to open Pabbly Connect and connect our Facebook page with Pabbly Connect. And step 2 is collect the data of Facebook page's post in Pabbly Connect. So in second step, we'll bring the data of a post from our first Facebook page to here in Pabbly Connect. And in step 3, we will send the same post to another Facebook page as a new post. So finally, we are going to send the post that we have captured here in Pabbly Connect to our another Facebook page. Alright, so first of all, let's jump back to our step 1 and open Pabbly Connect. So in your internet browser, type here Pabbly, that is pabbly.com, and from here put your cursor on this products icon and click on Pabbly Connect. Okay, now you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes by clicking here on sign up free button, which I have already done, so I'm going to click on sign in. And from this all apps section of Pabbly, you have to come to Pabbly Connect panel and click on access now. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And to start working here, you have to create workflows like these. So to create a workflow, you just have to click here on create workflow button. And here you have to give a relevant name to your workflow. So let me fill the name here. So I have filled the name as send one Facebook page post to another Facebook page. Now click on create here. And you will see your workflow is created, and you will find these two things first, the trigger and the action. So Pabbly Connect work on these two things. The trigger says when this happens, action says Pabbly Connect please do this. Alright, as in our use case, the trigger would be is a new post in one of our Facebook page, and the action would be is to send the same post in another Facebook page of us, right? So first of all, you have to click here on this trigger window, and from this choose app, you have to choose your application as Facebook pages, this one. Okay, now in this trigger event, you have to select new post option and then click on connect button, and from this window select add new connection option, then click on connect with Facebook pages. So you can see the authorization is successful here and it starts showing connected, right? Now it is asking for the page's name. So first of all, we are going to connect this page, mobile phone store. So let it be my primary page. Generally, I use this page to create and post things. And now I want that the post of this page get automatically delivered to my another page, which is this, the electronics digital shop. So first of all, let us connect our primary page, which is this mobile phone store. So in Pabbly Connect, I am going to select this page from this page field, which is this mobile phone store page. Okay, now when I click here on save and send test request, it will capture the most recent post that we have posted here in our page, this one. Okay, so this is the post that we have recently posted. This is the photo. Okay, so let me click here on save and send test request, and you can see the data of this post, this photo is here in Pabbly Connect like this. You can see it is showing mobile phone store, the page's name, and here it will show you all other details too. Added photo, and here it is showing the URL of the photo also, right? And data type equal to photo. So now we want to share this same photo on another Facebook page. For that, I'm going to create a route here, and not only this photo, we can have multiple type of post here in Facebook, as you can post photos here, you can also post text here, and you can also post videos here also, right? So we need to have three type of routes here in Pabbly Connect for these three type of posts. So from this action window, I'm going to select the application as router by Pabbly, and let me create one more route here. So we are using three routes for each type of post. So let me rename this first routes, and let me rename it like for photo post. Okay, so because we have captured the data of photo here first, so I'm going to create the route for photo first, and let me rename other two routes also. Okay, so I have renamed other two routes as for video post and for the text post. So first of all, we are going to set up this route for photo post. Okay, so I'm going to click here on set filters and actions tabs, and here it will show you this filter. So here in this filter, we are going to apply a filter to say to Pabbly that we want to post a photo here in this another Facebook page when we capture the data of photo, right? So to do this, I'm going to click here on set filters and actions, and here in this filter, in this select label, I'm going to select a label which is this. Let me show you. So in this data that we have captured in the first tab, you will see this attachment data type equals to photo. So we are going to select this label here in the first route in this filter. Okay, so when you click here on select label, you will find this Facebook page option right here. Click on it and you will find all the data that we have captured like this. Okay, and from here you will find that label which I have shown you, the attachment data type. Okay, so this is attachment data type. Select this, make the filter type equals to, and here in this value we are going to fill photo. Okay, so we are telling to Pabbly Connect that whenever this attachment data type equal to photo, then only we are going to post this photo on another Facebook page. So when I click here on save and send test request, it will show me this condition is success, status success, and the condition is true. Okay, now click here on this plus icon, and from this choose app we are going to choose Facebook page again. This Facebook pages. And here in this action event, we are going to choose create page photo. Okay, because we want to post a photo here. After that, click on connect. And from this window, select this add new connection option. Then click on connect with Facebook pages. Okay, so you can see the authorization is successful here and it started showing connected. Now in this page field, I am going to select this page, which is our another page, electronics digital shop, because we want to post the same photo here one more time, right? So from this page field, I am going to select the page electronics digital shop. Okay, and here in this photo URL, we are going to map the URL that we got from this first tab. Let me show you. So we are going to map this URL here, which we got in this first tab, this attachment data media source, right? This is the URL of the photo. Okay, so we are going to map this here in this route. Here in this photo URL field, let me show you here. Okay, so click here, then click on Facebook pages, and you will find the image source label where it is. Let me show you this one. Okay, media source, this is the URL of the post. Okay, and here in this description you can type any caption that you want. So let me type here our new product. Okay, and now when I click here on save and send test request, this photo URL will be posted as a new post in our this page. Which one? Electronics digital shop. Okay, so I am clicking here. So it started showing this type of response here. Now let's check in our electronics digital page, digital shop page. So I'm going to refresh it here. And you can see the photo is posted here again with this caption now, our new product. Okay, so just now it is showing. So the post is delivered here. So now just click on save here. So our first route is complete for the photo post. Okay, now come for this second route, click here on set filters and actions tab. But first of all, we need to have the data of a video post captured here in Pabbly Connect. So now we have the data of a photo post. So to capture the data of the video post, let me post a video here in my mobile phone store page. This is my primary page, and here I'm going to create a video post. I'm attaching a video here. Okay, so this is a video I'm posting. So the video is uploaded. Now let me click on post, and you can see a new video is posted here like this. Okay, so let's capture the data of this video here in Pabbly Connect. So let me click here on save and send test request again, and you can see now it is started showing this type of response here, and now it is saying that on mobile phone store a new post is here and it is a video. Okay, you can see the attachment data type is video here, right? So now come here on the second route for the video post, click on set filters and actions tab, and now in this select label in this filter we are going to select this label. Let me tell you, click here on Facebook pages option and find this label of the attachment data type. Okay, so this attachment data type equal to video, so make that filter type equals to and put here video. Okay, and click here on save and send test request. So this way we are trying to tell Pabbly Connect that when the attachment data equals to video, then post the video. Okay, so the condition is true here. Click on plus icon again and follow the same process, attaching the another Facebook page. Okay, in this action event now select create page video. Okay, then click on connect, and now you can choose existing connection because we have just made a connection with Facebook in the first route. Okay, it started showing connected, and select your another page which is electronics digital shop. Now it is asking for the video URL, so you will find the video URL from this Facebook pages option, and you will find the video URL here. Let me show you. Here in this attachments data media source, you will find the video URL, so map it from here only. Okay, and here in the description you can enter the description. For now I am leaving it blank and clicking here on save and send test request, and started showing this type of response here. Post ID is generated. Now let's see in our another Facebook page, which is this electronics digital shop, if the same post got uploaded here or not. So I'm refreshing the page. Okay, so you can see the same video is posted here also in our electronics digital shop. Okay, and the same video was posted here, right? So our second route is completed. Now click on save here and click on done. Now it is time to set up our third route for the text post. Okay, so for setting up this route we need to have the data of the text type post captured here in Pabbly Connect. So now we are going to create a text type post here in our primary Facebook page here. So let me create a post. So I have written a small text post here. Now I'm going to click on post, and you can see we have a text post posted here in our mobile phone store page. Okay, like this. Now let's capture the data of this post here. I'm going to click on save and send test request again, and you can see in this first step now it is showing this type of response here. Okay, right, so it is showing us the message that we have posted like this, right, and all other details. So let me come here on this third route and click on set filters and actions tab, and now in this filter I am going to select a label which is this one. Let me show you. From this tab I am going to select this label here, Instagram eligibility. So it is showing ineligible post, no media, because we cannot send this post to Instagram because it has no photo or video. It has text only. So it is showing this Instagram eligibility as ineligible. That means this post has only text. So we can use this label here in this third route. So click here on set filters and actions tabs, click on this filter option, and from this select label click on Facebook pages and select the label as Instagram eligibility and make the filter type equals to, and here in this value I'm going to paste this value. Let me show you. I'm going to copy this, okay, and we'll paste here in this third route in this value field, right? So we are telling Pabbly Connect when Instagram eligibility equals to this will mean that we have a text post in Facebook. So let's click here on save and send test request, and the condition will be true. After that, we'll click here on the plus icon again, and from this another action window we are going to choose Facebook page again, and here we are going to select in this action event create page post, then click on connect, select existing connection, click on save, and now from this page field we are going to select our second page, which is electronics digital shop, okay. And here in this message we are going to map the message that we got from this first tab, okay. So we got the message here or the text post like this is it. So map the whole text thing here like this, and click on save and send test request, and you can see the response is this, ID is created. Now let's check in our another Facebook page, which is electronics digital shop, if we got the same post here also. Let me refresh the page, and you can see the new post is posted, shared here like this, okay. So this was the same post that we have here, and now it is here in our another Facebook page as well, okay. So our third route is also completed. Click on save and then click on done, and our workflow is completed. Let me give you a quick recap what we have done here. So first of all, in this trigger window we selected Facebook pages, then connected the page and select our primary Facebook page in which we generally post things, okay. So this is our primary page, mobile phone store. We selected it and captured the data of the most recent post like this, okay. After that, we in this action window created 3 routes for 3 kind of posts: for photo post, for video post, and for the text post. For photo post we created this route here, applied the filter and selected the label, which was the label, the photo type label. Make the photo type equals to photo, and the condition was true. Then we connected the Facebook page, which was our second page, electronics digital shop, mapped the details here, and we have seen that we got the same photo posted here again like this, okay, with a caption. After that, for this video post route, we set up the filter like this. In this filter we applied the label attachment data type equals to video, and the response we received was condition was true. And then we applied Facebook page, which was our another page, that is electronic digital shop. You can see there is a red marker showing here, but not to worry about this because we do not have the video URL attached right now. But once you post a video, it will be mapped automatically as we have already done this, okay. So for now it is showing this red because we have the data of a text post in the first tab, right? So not to worry about this. Click on done. And finally, for this text post we have applied this filter and action step, where we have applied the filter and selected Instagram eligibility label, make it equal to ineligible, and applied Facebook page again, which was the second page, mapped the message, and we have seen the post was delivered here like this, okay. So the workflow is completed, and we are going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect trial account and start running this automation instantly.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Pabbly. In this video we are going to learn how to share blogger posts to Facebook automatically. So let's take an example that you are a blogger who is creating new posts on your blogger account on a frequent basis, and even you have a community on Facebook who is following you. Now you want that whenever you create a new post in your blogger account, automatically the same post should be shared with your community on Facebook page also. So what you are doing is, whenever you create a new post in your Blogger account, you use the blog link and you share it on your Facebook page so that your community can visit it. But this is a time consuming and a repetitive process. What if we do an automation by which whenever you're going to create a new post in your Blogger account, automatically the same post will be shared on your Facebook pages also, which is going to save you a lot of time and energy. But here the problem is that there is no direct connection between Blogger and Facebook. So in order to create a connection, we will be using a software application, that is Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating Blogger with Facebook automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So how we are going to set up this automation? For that you need to come to my screen. So welcome back to my screen. Here let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes. And you are going to get 100 tasks free every month. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as Blogger to Facebook integration. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on create. Now we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever we create a new post in our Blogger account, the same post should be shared on our Facebook page also. So just open this trigger window and let us choose the application name as Blogger or Google Blogger over here. Select the trigger event as new post added. Click on connect. Click on add new connection and click on connect with Google Blogger. Now it is asking me to choose an account to continue to Pabbly Connect Blogger. So I'm just going to choose my account from here. And now it is asking Pabbly Connect Blogger wants additional access to your Google account. So let's scroll down and click on continue and give away the access as the data is 100% safe with Pabbly Connect. Authorization successful, and now the Google Blogger account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select our blog ID. So I'll just take you to my Blogger account and here you can find my blog ID as my blog. So I will be selecting the same blog ID over here, that is my blog. Here you have to select your blog ID. Now here we have to select the status, only live, only draft or only scheduled. So I want that whenever the post is live on my Google Blogger account, then only the post should be shared on my Facebook page also. So I'm just selecting the status as only live. You can select it as per your requirement. Now before clicking on save and send test request, first we are going to create a new post in our Blogger account. Just because after clicking on this option, it is going to capture the latest response. So let's move to the Blogger account and here I'm just going to click on this plus sign new post to create a new post. Here we have to enter the title. So I have entered the title as important of exercise over here and I'm just going to enter the description. So I've added a random description over here. And along with this title and the description, I want an image to be uploaded on my post. So I'm just going to upload it from my system. Okay, and I'm just going to select the exercise image from here. Let's click on select. Here we can adjust the size of the image. Okay. And now let's click on publish. Publish post. This will publish this post to your blog. Let's click on confirm. Okay, and here we can see that a new post is published on our Blogger account. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect and now we are going to click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received and all the details related to the new post are captured over here. We can find the blog ID, we can find the published date and time, and when we scroll down here we can find the title as importance of exercise. Here we can find the content also. Along with that, we can find the image URL, and here we have got the blogger URL also. Okay. Now here I want to give you an important information that here you can see that the data has captured immediately. But sometimes it may take some time in fetching the data, as the trigger here is polling based. And if your data doesn't get captured immediately, don't worry about that. Please wait for 15-20 minutes patiently. The data will surely arrive. Okay. Now here we can see that we have got the content or the description in the HTML format over here. Okay. So we want the description to be retrieved from this particular HTML content. For that, let's scroll down, come to this plus sign and click on Add Action step and choose the application name as Data Transformer over here. Select the action event as Strip HTML tags. Click on Connect. Now it is connected. Now here we have to give the encoded string. So we have to map the content over here that we have got from the trigger response. So let's scroll down, and here we will be mapping the content from Google Blogger. Okay. And now let's click on Save and Send Test Request. And here in the response we have got only the description. So now we want to share this particular post on our Facebook pages also. But there can be two conditions, that the post may contain an image and the post does not contain an image. For that we have to apply the routers over here to specify both the conditions. So let's click on this plus sign Add Action step. And here we are going to choose the application name as routers. And here we have got two routes, route 1 and route 2. So I'm just going to click on these three dots and click on rename. So we are going to rename this route 1 as image present in the content. Okay, and let's click on update. And I'm going to rename the second route also. And this time I'm just going to give the route as image absent in the content. Okay, and let's click on update. So we have named both the routes, image present in the content and image absent in the content. Now we are going to set the filter and action steps for both these routes. So let's click on this set filter and action steps button. And here we are going to specify the if condition. If this happens, then what needs to be done? So here we are going to select the label from Google Blogger, and the label will be image 0 URL. If the image is existing in the post, then what needs to be done? Click on Save and Send Test Request. And here we have got the status as success message, condition is true, just because we have got the image in the post over here. So the condition is true. Now we want to share this post on Facebook page also. For that, click on this plus sign Add Action step. Choose the application name as Facebook Pages. Select the action event as Create Page Photo. Click on Connect. Click on Add New Connection and click on Connect with Facebook Pages. Authorization successful. Okay, and now the Facebook pages are connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my Facebook account. So make sure before creating a connection, you are logged into your Facebook account. Now here we have to select the page name. So I have already created some Facebook pages. And this is one of the Facebook page name, Fit Body Gym. So I want all my blogger posts to be shared on this particular page name, Fit Body Gym. So I'll be selecting the same page name over here also. Okay, Fit Body Gym. Now the page access token is automatically captured, so we are not going to make any changes. Now it is asking for the photo URL. So here we'll be mapping the photo URL from Google Blogger. And here we have got the image 0 URL. This is the photo URL. Now here it is asking for the description. So in the description, I'll be mapping the title that we have got from Blogger response. And along with the title, I'll be mapping the blog URL also. Okay, this one. So we have entered all the details. We have entered the photo URL over here. We have mapped it, and even we have mapped the description, the title as well as the blog URL. Okay. And now let's click on Save and Send Test Request. Okay, and here we can see the response is received. It means the post is shared on our Facebook page also. Let's check it. We have to just refresh our Facebook page. And when we scroll down, here we can find the title as importance of exercise. Here we can find our image, and here we can find the blog URL also. So we have clicked on the blog URL and we are redirected to our blog URL over here on our Blogger account. And in this way, the first route is ready. Let's click on done. Now we are going to set the second route, that is if image is absent in the content, then what needs to be done. So let's click on set filter and action steps. And here we are going to set the if condition filter, select the label as image 0 URL from Google Blogger. Okay, if the image does not exist. If image does not exist, then check the condition. Let's click on save and send test request. And this time in the status we have got the error message condition is false, just because in the post the image was existing. But in the real time it will work correctly. Okay. Now we want to share it on Facebook pages. Let's click on this plus sign add action step. And choose the application name as Facebook pages. In the action event we have to select create page post. Click on connect. Click on select existing connection just because we have recently created a connection, and click on save. And now we are connected with Facebook pages. Now again I need to select the page name, the Facebook page name, that is Fit Body Gym in my case. You have to select your Facebook page name. Page access token is automatically captured. I am not going to make any changes. That is asking for the message. So in the message I will be mapping the title, that is important of exercise. And here in the link URL I will be mapping the blogger link. Okay, the blog link, that is the URL. And now let's click on save. Data saved successfully. Okay, now let's click on done. So we have set both the routes, that if the image is present in the content, then what needs to be done, and if the image is absent in the content, then what needs to be done. So now let us check this in the real time, that whether our integration is actually working fine or not. For that I'll move to my Blogger account once again, and here we are going to just create a new post. So here I have entered the title as food and nutrition, and I'm just going to add the description over here. So I have added a random description. Okay, I'll just remove the extra space. Okay, and now let's click on publish. Publish post. This will publish this post to your blog. Okay, let's click on confirm. So the post is published on our Blogger account, and in this particular post we have not added any image. Okay, now let's move to our Facebook pages. We have to just refresh our Facebook page. Let's scroll down. Okay, and here we can see that even after refreshing, we can't find the blogger post shared over here, just because I have already informed you that the trigger here is polling based and it will take time to capture the response. So we have to wait for some time. So now after 4 to 5 minutes, I'm just going to refresh my page once again. Let's scroll down. Okay, and here we can see that a post is shared over here, but we haven't got any image over here, and the title is food and nutrition, and here we have got the blog post URL also. So let's check the URL. Okay, and here we can see that we are redirected to our Blogger account, and here we can find the title and its description. So in this way we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect, and I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. Okay. So first we have created an integration between Google Blogger and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details of the new post that you have created into your Blogger account. Then we have used data transformer just because the description was captured in the HTML tag format. So we have just extracted the description from the HTML tags. And at last we have set the router steps over here, that if the image exists in the blogger post, then what needs to be done? Then the post should be shared on the Facebook page along with the image, and if the image is not there in the blogger post, then only the title and its description should be posted on your Facebook page. And in this way we have learned that how we can create an integration between Google Blogger and Facebook pages using Pabbly Connect.
In this video, we are going to see how to share YouTube videos to Facebook page. So let's say that you have uploaded a new video on YouTube, and what you want is you want to share a post informing your followers on Facebook about your YouTube video. How can you do that? For this, you will have to set up some integration between YouTube and Facebook so that every time a new video is uploaded there, automatically a page post should be created on Facebook. Now, the same thing can be done using Pabbly Connect software. And how can you do this? Integrate and automate this entire process. To understand that, let me take you to my screen. In this video, I'm going to show you every time you upload a video on your YouTube channel, how automatically it can be shared on your Facebook page as a link. To begin with the process, we are first going to type the URL pabbly.com/connect. And as we do that, here we have reached the landing page of this software. On the right hand side, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. So if you are an existing user, simply sign in. If you are a new user, click on this tab, sign up. It won't take more than 2 minutes. And yes, at the time of account creation, you will get 100 free tasks. So now I'm going to click on sign in as I'm an existing user here. And here we have reached the all applications page. Let's click on access now for Pabbly Connect. Here we have reached the dashboard of this application. Again, on the right hand side, you can see a tab create workflow. Let's click on this and a dialog box has appeared which is asking us to name this workflow. Now here my objective is to share YouTube videos to Facebook page. So every time a new video is uploaded on my YouTube channel, then automatically it should be shared on my Facebook page. So now I'm going to click on create. So as I do that, here we have reached another window which has got two extremely important events. One is trigger, another one is action. Triggers and actions are basically those two principles or concepts on which this entire automation works. Trigger is when this happens, action is do this. Basically, action here is the response of our trigger application. Now here, what would be our first application? It would be YouTube. So let's click on this. As we do that, here we have to now select the trigger event. This is the event that will make your workflow start. And here I'm going to select new video in channel with video URL. So this workflow will trigger when a new video is added in a channel and retrieves video details with URL. So I'm going to click on this. Now here on the right hand side, you can see that this trigger will check for new data in every 10 minutes. Which basically means that this trigger application has a polling time of 10 minutes and the workflow will run after every 10 minutes to fetch for new data. So once this is done, I'm going to click on connect. So here Pabbly Connect is asking to connect itself with a YouTube account. Let's select add new connection and click on connect with YouTube. Here we have to select the account. So once selected, here we have to provide the additional access. Let's click on continue. And here we can see that the authorization has been successful. Now here we have received the channel name, but we have to map the channel ID. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to toggle this towards the right. And from where can we get the channel ID? Let me take you to my YouTube account. And now I'm going to take you to my channel. So as I take you here, so here in the URL, you can see this is your channel ID. So I'm going to copy this. Go back to Pabbly Connect and this is exactly the same. So I'm just going to paste this. Okay, so we have to remove the channel part. So this is our channel ID. Now once done, I'm going to click on save and send test request. Now as I do that, it has given me the API response and this is the response of the last video uploaded on YouTube. So here let me show you. So this is the last video that was uploaded an hour ago. The name is Big Waves Rushing to the Shore. And if I show you the API response, here you can see this is the name of our video. And then as I take you up, this is the video URL, this is the embedded URL. Now once you have received this, your objective is that this should be shared on your Facebook page. So the next action application here would be Facebook pages. Let's click on this. And now the action event here would be to create a page post. Let's click on this and click on connect. So once done, here again Pabbly Connect is asking to connect itself with the Facebook pages account. Now to set up this connection, I'm going to click on add new connection and then connect with Facebook pages. Here again we have to confirm the account. So once done, here we can see that the authorization has been successful, which means that Pabbly Connect is now connected with Facebook pages. Once done, here we have to map the name of the page, access token, message and link URL. Now to get these details, first I'm going to take you to my Facebook account. So this is the Facebook account that I have and I have got multiple pages over here. So these are the various pages that I have already created. Now I'm talking about a specific page which is Pabbly Tech. So this is the page and here I want that every time a video is uploaded on my YouTube channel, then automatically it should get shared on this Pabbly Tech page. So taking you back to Pabbly Connect. Here I'm going to select Pabbly Tech. Here it is. The system has already generated the page access token, so we do not have to do anything about that. Now the message. So let's say I'm going to write, hey, I have uploaded a new video on my YouTube channel. Check it out. Okay, so this is my message. And now I have to map the link URL. How do we map? So as I click on this, it is going to show me the previous steps. And as I go here, this is the URL. This is known as mapping. Mapping is important so that every time the workflow runs, it would be able to capture the new data. Otherwise, if I write this manually, every time the workflow runs, it will never take the new data. It will be confined to the manually written data. So that's why mapping is important. So once this is done, I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request. And here we have received the API response, which basically means that this video should be shared on my Facebook page. So now I'm going to take you to the Facebook page, Pabbly Tech. Let's refresh this page. And here you can see that yes, the video link has been shared. Hey, I have uploaded a new video on my YouTube channel, check it out. And as I click on this, then people would be able to reach my video. So that is it. Now, this basically means that our integration process is a success. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to go to my YouTube channel and here I'm going to upload another video to check this in real time. So let's select the files. So let's say it's about beautiful video on beautiful earth. And now the description, so I'm going to write the same description quickly. And then as I scroll down here, no, it is not made for kids. Now let's click on next. And once we do that, here I'm going to make this public and publish. So once this has happened, here you can see that a video has been posted. Now I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Tech page and let's refresh the page. Here we can see that the video has not yet been uploaded. Why? Because it has a polling time of 10 minutes. So now we are supposed to wait for 10 minutes so that the video can be uploaded here. So I'm going to come back in 10 minutes to check if our integration is a success. So it's been 10 minutes and here you can see once I've refreshed the page, the post is here. And this is beautiful video on beautiful earth, which basically means that our integration process is a complete success. Now I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect to understand what we have done. So this is an extremely easy two-step integration process where our trigger application is YouTube. The event that we have selected is new video in channel with video URL. Then action application is Facebook pages and here the event is create page post. I hope this is absolutely clear to you. If in case you have any doubt, you can refer to the workflow which is given in the description box. You can also clone the same and start to process immediately. Apart from this, if you have any particular integration that you wish to work on, you can always write to us.
Guys, in this video, you will learn how you can share RSS feed of any website to your Facebook page automatically. Guys, sharing RSS feed is a really good way to engage with your audience. And if you also want to share RSS feeds on your social media accounts, this automation is for you. And here we are going to connect RSS feed with Facebook without any coding very easily. So let's start. To set up this automation, guys, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation tool. And this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. And I have pasted this same link in the description as well. From here, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. And you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automations. Okay. So you can just sign up right now. And after that, you have to sign in and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect here. Okay. And here, guys, you have to click on this create workflow button to set up the automation workflow. And here in the name field, you can give a suitable name to your workflow as well. So I am giving the name here as RSS feeds on Facebook page. Okay. After that, click on create button and you can see your workflow page is getting ready here. And on this page, guys, you will find these two modules, the trigger and the action. So with the help of these two things, you can set up any automation. So in the trigger, we are going to connect the trigger application in which the trigger event is going to occur. So trigger event is that event which is going to kickstart this workflow, and the action would be the consequence or the response towards the trigger, right? So first of all, let us connect the trigger as RSS feature of Pabbly. Okay, so search for RSS and you will find this feature of Pabbly, RSS by Pabbly, and the trigger event would be new item in feed. So with the help of this feature, you can connect the RSS section of any website here in the trigger. Okay, so to connect with the RSS feed of any website, just click on connect here and it will ask for the feed URL. So here you have to paste the RSS feed URL of the website from where you want to fetch the feeds. So I have opened this. You can see this is the RSS section of this website, and here let me select cricket. Okay, so I want to share RSS feeds about cricket on my Facebook page. So I am just going to copy the address of this feed and I'm going to paste the feed URL here like this. Okay, you can see I've just copied the cricket feed and pasted it here. Now click on save and send test request, and the most recent post that has been posted in the RSS section of cricket will be fetched here in the response. You can see guys, here it is showing us the title as Adil Rashid confirms that he'll put his name up for upcoming IPL auction. Okay, let us check if we got the same feed here in the cricket section. And here you can see the most recent feed here in this RSS section is the same, Adil Rashid confirms. Okay, and the same got captured here, right? And here it is also showing us the date of publishing, the link of the URL, the link of the RSS section, and all other things. Okay, this is the content snippet and this is the whole content written inside the RSS section, right? So that's how you can capture. Now if we want to share the same feed to the Facebook page, we are going to use this actions tab, and here you have to search for Facebook pages. Here you can see Facebook pages option, select it, and in the action event you have to select create page post option, then click on connect, and from here select add new connection, then click on connect with Facebook pages. So it might bring you to the login window of your Facebook, but I have already logged in, so it is just asking me to continue as this person. Yes, continue, and you can see we are getting connected. So the authorization is successful, and here it is started showing connected, right? So we are now connected with the Facebook page, and here it is asking for the page's name. So the name of my page is this. You can see this is a Facebook page I am running named as guest events. Okay, this is just a sample page I am using. So let me search for this page's name. Here it is selected. All right, and here it is asking for the message that you want to post and the link URL. So I am going to use this data that I have received as the test data from the RSS feed of the website, right? So here let me map the things. So in the message I'm just going to click, and you can see it is showing RSS by Pabbly step. This is the trigger step. It is showing us in the drop down, and when you click on it, it will show you all the data that you have already received in the first step. So from here I am just let me map the title of the feed, and in the link URL let me map the link of the RSS feed, which is here. Okay, now you can check your connection with Facebook page by clicking on save and send test request, and a new post will be created here on your page. Let me show you. I am clicking on save and send test request here. Okay, so this is a response we have received. Our ID is created here. Let's check in the Facebook page if we got a new post, and here let me refresh the page. And here you can see guys, a new post is created here on my page. It is showing Adil Rashid confirms that he'll put his name for upcoming IPL auction, and this is the link of the RSS feed, and when you click here it will bring you to the RSS section of the given website that you have used in the workflow. Okay, so this is the same title, this is the same website that got shared on Facebook here from this website, okay, through this automation. So we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up this once. This means after setting up this, you can read here, this trigger is going to check in every 20 minutes the RSS feed of this website and see if there is a new feed. And if there is a new feed, the same feed will be posted on your Facebook page automatically. And guys, if you want to use this workflow, you can use it, as I'm going to paste it in the description, and you can clone this same workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.